Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to find an app in your iPhone. So here I'm using iPhone 12 with iOS version of 16.6.1. Sometimes I forget the location of my app, or sometimes I want to search up a setting without actually open the setting app. I can just make a scroll down movement on the middle on the screen like this. Middle of the screen, so it's not like this from the top of the screen, not from the top of the screen, it's from the middle of the screen. I'm going to deactivate my pointer here, guys. So scroll down like that. We're going to do it once more. Scroll on the middle of your screen, and then you can see a search button over here. You can type the app that you're searching for, and it will show on the top of your screen like this. Or you can also look for a setting also like this, keyboard settings, without actually open the setting app. It will appear instantly on your screen like this. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us, and I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.